So again, this is my left and this is my right. So my right, that's what I want to end up with, 1 over the sine of x cosine of x. So I want to end up with that. Okay, just remember that this is what you want to end with. You want to end with this. So we're going to do 1 over the tangent of x. If you do 1 over the tangent of x, that's going to be the cotangent. So over here, we're going to replace that with the cotangent of x plus the tangent of x. Then the cotangent right here is the cosine over the sine. So I'm going to replace the cotangent with the cosine over the sine, and I'm going to replace the tangent with the sine over the cosine. So the cotangent is the cosine of x over the sine of x, plus the tangent is the sine of x over the cosine of x. Then we need to get a common denominator. The common denominator is when you multiply both of the denominators. So in this case, the common denominator is sine of x times the cosine of x. So I'm going to put it right here, sine of x times the cosine of x. Okay. So now, what's missing from the sine of x to look like the sine of x cosine of x? Well, I'm missing the cosine, so I need to multiply the top and bottom by the cosine of x. So cosine times cosine is going to be cosine squared of x, plus what's missing from the cosine to look like the sine cosine? Well, this one's missing the sine. So then sine times the sine is sine squared of x. And then the cosine squared plus the sine squared, if you go to your trig identities right here, the sine plus the cosine, that equals 1. So that equals 1 right there. And then this stays the same. You'll end up with this. You're done. Yay!